Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, to order the loudspeaker comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus the iQOO 7 device. Let's see which phone has got what kind of loudspeaker quality. That is what I'm going to check exactly. And in this video, I'll try to even test bottom speaker has got a loudspeaker mode or whether top speaker has got loudspeaker mode. This is the way I'll try to do the loudspeaker comparison. Let's see which phone has got what kind of points. And one quick note, the Poco F3 GT has got a really good top speaker which has got the open outside, as you can see. That's the one thing you should know before actually starting the video, as you can see. So let's see whether this will be helpful in terms of gaining more volume or not in the Poco F3 GT device. And before that, let me just show you what is the preset values I'm trying to use between both phones. There is no option to select the preset values about this kind of what type of volume you want. So let me try to show you the calibration in this phone in the Poco F3 GT. So where you do have the sound effects and you can actually select the Dolby Atmos in case if you want, as you can see here. And then you can actually change different preset values as well. That's another good thing you can actually enjoy in this Poco F3 GT device. So where you cannot find any kind of options in the iQOO 7 device at this moment. Let me try to open the music player. And first I'll try to start playing the audio from the Poco F3 GT. Let's see how good the audio will be there in this phone when compared with the iQOO 7 device. The sound went up to 98 decibels and 97 decibels. Overall, it was average of above 90 only toward the time. That's another thing I just want to mention. Let me just start the same audio in the iQOO 7 as well. Let's see how much iQOO 7 can actually get. As you can see, friends, the average was maintaining around close to 88 and 89 and 90 kind of close to that kind of range. And in terms of the sound quality, I did find the Poco F3 GT slightly more than the iQOO 7 device. I'll try to play the alternate so you can actually understand which has got a lot of bass. So let me try to start playing here. As you can see, friends, clearly the Poco F3 GT slightly feels better. Let's see which speaker is having what kind of volume in terms of the decibel. Let's see. I think so far the highest went up to 106 decibels in this Poco F3 GT, 106 and 105 around that range. Let's say in this iQOO 7 device. So same thing applies to the iQOO 7 as well. So even the bottom speaker has got same kind of close to kind of levels in terms of the decibels. So 106 and 105. So same kind of thing. Maybe the top speaker in the iQOO 7 might be having really low volume when compared with this phone. Let's check the top speaker now. Let's see what will happen with the top speaker. As you can see friends, the top speaker was averaging around close to 100 and 101 and 102 decibels as well. That's one thing. So maybe top speaker might be doing great job in the Poco F3 GT. Now let's check in the iQOO 7's top speaker. You can see friends clearly the top speaker doesn't have much volume, but let me to close the bottom speaker and test the top speaker only. In this way we'll be able to identify. Let's do. As you can see, it's kind of coming close to 95 and 96 kind of decibels throughout the time, 92, 93 as well. Let's check in the Poco F3 GT what will happen if you try to block the bottom speaker. You can see friends clearly the top speaker is slightly more volume than the iQOO 7 device. Maybe that might be the reason why we are experiencing more volume in the Poco F3 GT. And one more thing, there is no vibrations in the both phones. So the back panel is not at all vibrating while doing this kind of testing in the high volume. That's also really important nowadays, because I did see a lot of vibrations happening in the Realme X1 Max in this area. I did upload a couple of videos as well already on this topic. So that's one thing you should definitely know when you're trying to play the volume in both phones. And next, one more quick note, small information which I want to say. So even if you try to close the top speaker, still you can actually hear the volume coming. I'll try to show you the live demonstration right now. I'll try to close the bottom one. I'll try to close the top one as well. The bottom speaker, the volume will get completely blocked. But the top speaker, when you try to close this one, the volume will not get blocked. So some of the audio must be leaking from this kind of buttons or somewhere around that, apart from these holes. Let me show you now. Completely blocked from the bottom. Completely, as you can see, completely blocked. And now I'm trying to block this one, but still you can hear the audio coming, as you can see. So at this stage, I'm not sure whether audio is coming from this holes or maybe audio is coming from this trigger points or somewhere. I'm not sure. That is the one thing which I thought of just addressing to you all. But I'll try to do the separate dedicated video on this explaining what is happening. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, check the links in description for the playlist of this Poco F3 GT and OnePlus Nord 2. You can find all the useful videos in one single playlist, and you can decide whether to buy this phone actually or not. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.